Hi, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. If you have a garage door that goes overhead and it sags or bounces when the door's in operation, then it's very likely that you have a tear in one of your panels or a really bad dent. So when your panels get older, they don't have the rigidity that they once had. They may have taken on some damage, and it might be time to add a strut brace, which is a really good repair for your panels and is a good option besides just full-on replacing of the panel. When you add a strut brace, which is one of these braces right here, it goes all the way across the panel, and holds the panel really rigid, really firm in place, and keeps it from bending, so it keeps a straight plane all the way across the panel. When you install a strut brace, the door should go up and down smoothly again. It should not bounce. It should operate just as it should. Sometimes you may have too much damage to the panel, and it's better off to replace the panel. So when you replace the panel, of course, that's going to be a little bit additional cost, and you're also going to have to make sure you match your existing panels. So adding a strut brace or two to your existing garage door could be a very good remedy to make your door function properly again. Visit us at Parts for Garage Doors today, and we'll get you set up with a strut brace. We'll get you set up with any parts that you might need. We have everything you can think of, from panels to hardware to springs. Come visit us today, and our helpful staff will make sure that you get what you need.